Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen. As you go to the top, you can see that you have 4 main categories, so you can search for hotels. Here you can select your destination, then you should set your check-in and check-out date, the number of rooms and guests, and then click on the search best prices icon and you will be able to search for hotels. You can also search for flights. You can select the type of trip, one-way, round-trip, multi-city. After that, you should indicate your departure and destination points. After that, your departure date, the type of class, and then you can search for the available flights. You have the chance to look for train tickets as well. You should indicate the departure and destination point as well as your departure date. You can also search for attractions and tours, and within this section, after selecting your destination, you can search for attractions and tickets, day tours, Wi-Fi phone cards, experiences, and travel services. As you go back, you also have the chance to search for airport transfers and car rentals. You should select the pickup and drop-off location, then the time and the age of the driver in the case of renting a car. You can also look for new destinations by using the trip map icon or option by clicking on the globe icon, so that you can either use the search bar at the top to look for particular locations, and then you will be directed to this particular location on the map, and you can select the attractions. And you can also look for nearby hotels, so here you can use the map and the locations are marked with the number of attractions they have. You can also search for deals and offers by clicking on the deals button down below. So you can search for available offers in terms of hotels, tours and tickets and flights. At the My Trip section, you can see all of your bookings and the travel plans you have. And in the account section, you can see your saved destinations, gift card and so on. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.